Former Food and Drug Administration, FDA Commissioner Scott Gottlieb, recently expressed that artificial intelligence, AI, is progressing rapidly and could soon take on tasks traditionally performed by doctors. In an opinion piece published by CNBC, Gottlieb discussed the potential of AI in healthcare, particularly in two categories: machine learning, which enables systems to learn patterns and make predictions from data, and natural language processing, which involves understanding and generating human language. Gottlieb pointed out that some large language models are already analyzing patients' medical records and offering diagnoses and treatments directly to patients without the need for physician involvement. However, he acknowledged that regulatory challenges remain, as some fear potential errors in the model's predictions and the use of flawed clinical data during training. Despite these hurdles, Gottlieb believes that leveraging AI in healthcare holds significant promise. It could lead to improved patient outcomes and address financial challenges associated with hiring more non-physician providers to lower costs. He also mentioned the use of AI for administrative tasks, such as processing medical claims and providing clinical decision support software based on patient-specific data. Regarding machine learning technology, Gottlieb explained its application in analyzing clinical data, images, and scans, which may be categorized as medical devices by the FDA. He noted that the use of verified closed data sets boosts the FDA's confidence in assessing the integrity of these AI devices. Although AI tools are not yet ready to entirely replace doctors, Gottlieb believes they will increasingly enhance providers' productivity and, in some cases, even substitute for them. As an example, Gottlieb highlighted OpenAI's ChatGPT, a large language model that successfully passed the U.S. medical licensing exam, outperforming some medical students who struggle to pass the exam annually. Gottlieb's views come amidst concerns about AI potentially displacing human jobs. A recent report from McKinsey Global Institute suggested that almost 30% of the work hours in the U.S. could be automated by 2030. Overall, Gottlieb's article emphasizes the transformative potential of AI in healthcare, while acknowledging the need for careful regulation and consideration of its implications on the medical profession and patient care.